okay?
I'm good, I'm good. You're going to the wall. I just went to the understeer?
No. I saw I was going too deep and tried to like turn away from it, and it wasn't understeering at all. Like I was just like I was going towards the wall. Yeah. No, I didn't lock up the brakes. Like I was like fuck. I was trying not to lock them, like go like this, you know. Alright guys, so I just got back from the track after quite the incident. We're just dissecting it.
Let's see how bad it is. We don't even know where to start.
It got crushed pretty good, like it all buckled, all this metal here, everything's buckled. So I can't even pull the bumper out of it. It's all like it basically ate it. The bash bar bent up and like sandwiched the KBD bumper in here. So we're gonna pull off the quarter and see what we can get to. This is a fucking good piece still.
Fuck, you rusted out.
Yeah, that's from fucking last incident.
It's rusting. Oh no, that's not. It's just
Surface rust, man.
Yeah, these are all those holes are from when we pulled it all out.
It's literally like an FD veal side too. Look at how smooth that is. If you could just rip all this off and Bondo it, you get a nice, like, you know, yeah, a nice curve.
Oh, you're black.
I can get like a bigger taillight. Oh my god, look at it wrinkled all this. Yeah, that's insane. Gosh. That bolt hole back there. Ah.
Just take this fossil and move along the bottom.
No,
Kind of like a
I need to
fence.
get this hatch back. I need to make it fit again. I don't want to cut it more.
This is gonna look brand new by the time we get to Cayuga, right? You gonna over fender over this? Let's see it. It's all the glass.
It's all tired. That's how you know I shred. Oh! Alright, we got a little more work than we thought.
That bash broke everything out.
Oh yeah. 64.
What, you scared you're gonna scratch your car on that? The gas tank like still full, like it's not leaking, right?
No, the gas is literally full. I just filled it up. No, the gas tank's not leaking.
Yeah. Look at that.
One more part saved. Well, they're installed right and actually have silicone on them. There we go. $200 right there. We ain't finding those holes. Oh my gosh. So they're right. Oh. Okay, so here's the one, and there's the other. So they should be right here. Yep, there's one.
Oh my god.
And the other one's in there.
Yikes.
Oh, shit.
Not bad.
That one bull.
So what we're doing,
I
wrap
can
the
get it
thing
out.
around the bash bar, come along to the truck, and we'll pull it out. Nice and slow and steady, no big yanks. Yeah, you keep going. Look at that.
Bumper's off.
Bumper's off. She's mint.
Keep going. Alright, I can't brake any harder.
Yeah, you can.
I've seen worse. I bet you look pretty good with the bumpers on it now. Okay, new strategy. Wait. My pressure wheels.
Oh shit.
Alright. I like that strategy. It was working.
Hey! You gotta tighten it.
Okay, curb stomp.
It's actually working. It's working
is.
though. Like very well.
Like, Arlen, tell him to stop breathing.
It's almost straight.
Well, we're just pulling the car closer and closer this way. The whole car's moving.
You gotta shock it.
Yeah.
know what's coming.
Remember when he said we're gonna pull it gently with the come along?
Nice and slow and steady. No big yanks.
Holy.
No, you gotta like hold the brakes in the truck. What was that? Uh-oh, it's your thing. Oh, it's broken.
What thing?
I pushed
It's
on
here. It's here, bro.
it.
Oh, the strut tower. Well, that's not bad. Oh my god, that was a scary noise.
Where you put the vice grip. Move
Dude,
your head. Like
Callum, I thought the...
that. When it goes to that point, because you put the vice grips on it and fuck it up. So now it's gonna be like.
Oh my god.
At that point.
Dude, I thought my freaking battery exploded.
Oh, that smells like shit.
God bless.
It's because you're pushing the vice grips. Oh, there's just brake.
There. That's good enough. Let's see if the bumper fits nice. You guys could see how wrinkled it was before, but we were looking for this bolt hole and this bolt hole here. And this bolt hole was gone. This was all crumpled up.
Oh, you're keeping this thing for another year.
No, honestly, put the bumper on it.
Yeah, let's see. Get the chain up. Look at that. It wouldn't even know anything happened.
Not at all.
Wow. All right. We'll pick up where we left off another day. It's late. We just got home from the track.
We could pull out a lot of it, man. It's not gonna be like.
Yeah.
Like this is gonna be like this is gonna never be the same. But
Oh no. With the over on it, you'll never
when
really...
you pull out like you can pull all this trunk out. This will all pull out.
my main concern is getting this straight enough so the trunk closes.
Yeah, exactly.
And holy.
Oh my god, that trunk's not sure.
Oh, Lee, the more I look,
That's
the worse it
screwed,
is.
Tony.
I just want this to go in this.
Dude, go ahead. If you drill it and put hood pins or like pins in it, maybe.
Ooh. Hood pin at least for this season. We got like, what, 3 more events. Honestly, mechanically wise, the car's okay. The exhaust got pushed up here. The exhaust pushed all the way up. So what basically happened is I'm gonna get the car up in the air and see what part of it, where it buckled. So I hear some kind of leak, obviously up front. So I think something buckled, and it's either the manifold. It looks like the whole turbo setup's pushed forward. Something in the manifold cracked and pushed forward. So we have a whole new turbo setup, the old one off Callum's car. Literally manifold on it, lines on it, everything. I can basically take this setup off, put the new turbo setup on, and I'm gonna see if the turbo elbow is okay. Worst case, I can build the downpipe and the rest of the exhaust back from there. That's all. Pretty easy to do, but I think that's my only mechanical problem. It pushed all up. It's against the steering rack right now. It's against some of the oil lines for the turbo too. So that's really, mechanically wise, that's all it really needs to drive.
Yeah.
How it always did. but it'll always look something like this. Okay guys, so it's day 2 here. We are pulling out my crunched car. We have just started here. We just lining up the taillight to where basically where it's supposed to be. And we got a little room to go. So we're slowly pulling everything out. We're gonna get it mostly to fit. Once you put the over on, most of this top part is covered. The real part I'm really worried about is where my bumper sits. The bumper sits against that, right? So you're gonna see a big gap if it's like this still. So we'll try to straighten it up, but we're gonna keep pulling. Tack welded our first hook.
Nice tack.
Time to do some more pulling. I have come to the conclusion that my manifold is cracked. So I'm gonna take the turbo setup off now and replace it with callums that we conveniently have right here, already on a manifold, already with the lines. So that's ready to go. So once we get that done, I don't know, I gotta get the car up in the air and see how bad the rest of the exhaust is. But worst case, we'll just straight pipe it for the rest of the season. But I think that's where it kind of gave, so it shouldn't be too tweaked underneath, I'm thinking. All right, we got the manifold out, and there is our problem. I'm so surprised that is the part that broke on the whole exhaust. This cheap China manifold. This ISR is held up okay. No cracks anywhere here. The rest of the exhaust, it's kinked after the downpipe, which is kind of nice. But yeah, as we're just leaking away here, doesn't look like anything else is really damaged. I was scared the steering shaft or something might have been crunched, but it just looks like the exhaust is all pushed up against it, so that's a good sign. I got my brother's old turbo set up here, and all the lines on it, drains on it, ready to go. So that's going in now. It's literally the exact same setup as I had on my car. So let's put that in now. Oh, backup has arrived. All right, well, look at that. This was wrinkled right over. It's doubled over. And we're coming straight again. Where's that broken taillight?
It's right here.
You wanna not hit my damn car?
Don't tell me what to do.
You know what it moves? It moves the whole, all
Hey, easy. I don't like this, man. We're back at it again. We got this all drift stitched up, and we got the lower valence on. We're just currently fitting everything to fit around that, and the bash bar is still really crooked, but nothing a pool noodle can't fix. All right, for all y'all thought we wouldn't do it, here's our update with our rough fit.
What are you showing the good side for?
Ooh, it's not bad.
Surprise.
Now I got a shit car for the rest of the season. It's so nice I might run it for next season. All right, guys, we are back out here. We have 2 days until Drift Jam. I currently got the car all fitted up to as good as it's gonna get. Honestly, it looks not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. If I put some paint on it, I think it might look pretty nice. So this is what we got. All this scuffs. Like if this is all red, I think it would look pretty decent, to be honest. Paint the trunk, paint the bumper, maybe some some of that tuck tape on the taillight. But this is what I'm doing today. Today is exhaust day, so I basically cut the exhaust off from where it was kinked the most. As you can see, it's still pretty bent. Like, see, this hanger is supposed to be like, I don't know, 2 inches that way, 3 inches that way. So it got bent pretty bad, but honestly, I'm just gonna go from here, pipe, and try to dump it at the subframe, I'm thinking. Before anyone comments on the welding, did this on the ground, no bench space right now, and I don't really give a shit. I have an event in a day, so I am rushing it. I'm using random pieces of pipe. Boom! Boom! 2 welds, not bad actually. I flipped, so this is actually the midsection that I flipped. So this is supposed to be to the front of the car, but now this is going to at the front of the car. And I lined up this hanger with the hanger mount on the subframe. Nice and tight. It doesn't look like it will hit, maybe hit the diff a little, but it doesn't seem terrible. I made this little support here. And let's see how it holds up. I think that's how I'm gonna leave it. Maybe might do a little turn down or something on there right now, but this is what we have for now. That turn down. Boom. Oh. Everything's back on. Ready to go. Fix my heat shield.
My turbo in, ready to go.
Okay, everyone wants to hear the new exhaust?
The new turn down. Oh God.
Ready?
I want to hear it. What the heck? It's not bad, I guess. It's loud.
She's back, ready to rip. I'm tapping them all day now.
Look at that. Wouldn't even know with a little paint and the light. Huh.
Now it's a race car. That's what those 2JZ guys do with a little turn down, you know? D-spec. I guess you know what it's for? I guess if they crash the
Yeah,
like
so they
this.
don't bend, they don't break the
wreck
turbo manifold.
Okay, well, we will see you guys Saturday.
My tire's good. Fuck. Yeah, I precisely like the fucking little valve off. Dude, I'm gonna get him throwing him right now. Why is there hair in it?